Nartiang Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, Modop, West Giant Hills, kala Pynhap perdano ya kajing rakhi Jubili Ksiar haga kendai trik no pra haga jingadan lang Menteri Rangba kajela ukon rat ki sangma kum ukongsan bat usumbut Menteri Rangba ubak singa balang dhar kum usumbut kongsan. Haba ajing kren haga jingalang Menteri Rangba ulaong menta kasngi kanika skul kal kenjo syaka jingat denti ke pasan postnam ringkat bat bun kisnam bat ki postnam ki bandang wan. Nga ay ka jingaro ay ka NPHSS na kabenta ka jing no senyang ka bakraw ya ka imlang sa lang bat nga penpaw ka jing sngungu ya baro ki bala no senyang siya ka skul. Haba penpaw ya ka jing temu jong sorkar halor ki sinjam ha ka puli puthi na du arajar khat pra ukonrat ulaong ba ka puli puthi ka di ka benta ka bakongsan jong sorkar bat ula kedo bahai kini kindat senam baladam kamang tingka nakabenta ka puli puthi kalakiyo nakaarjar klur tingka siya kalahijar sanspa klur tingka sisnam kabari kabahetam hakajela. Ula benrap baka ni kajingbay tingka kelas dang ban peni kajingkla kabaka sorkar ka angnut. Kajing hikai kam datang syapang kikot ni kikerdan puli hendre ka deiru syapang kajingte ya kajinglong jingman. Ka penrung ya kajinglong renti kajingan kajing ri kajing buram ni kibalasan kajing tershitam, kajing kut jingmon, bat kajing sutu kajing temu. Kajing puli basisha kapensan penrangba kena syaki beri badan ya kajing long kabaklan ulaong. Katba usimbut Menteri Rangba kajela ubak singa balang dhar, haba kedau halor kajingat lenti jong ka skul ulaong. Kani kajingat lenti kam syumna long kabasung. Kidon shibur kijing jing tenju, bat kidon ki kap baka skul kahaban mat kijing hendrailing ba kajing tershitam jong kinong syong shnong. Kinong hikai bat kibor penya jong skul ngilala ban kenjo sya uni umau mer jong ka jingkman. Ngi kermen bagi kena jong ka nika skul kin yo ya ka jing job ha ka bakin sa longru ki doktor ki engineer kinong ngelam bat ki riu paukman ki banwanra ka nam ka buram ya ka nika shnong ka jongi. Ha ka nika sngi layo dan langru UCEM ka GHADC ubak thombor shiwan ki officer sorkar utemen besan Kendriam Chairman jong SMC NPHSS Modop IGR Tongper Principal NPHSS Modop na lor kiway.
It is not just about degrees. It's about building the character. It's about the discipline, the human being that comes out after the person is educated. The faith, the belief, the fear, the love of God, the patriotism for their land, the respect for their elders, the hard work, commitment, sense of purpose. I would like to see that our education system should be able to nurture and bring out children with true character. That is real education. And therefore I say that we have a very, very long way to go. But I must compliment the Nartiang Presbyterian Higher Secondary School for the kind of contribution that you have made to society today. I'm sure that all the people involved with the school must be looking back at the last 50 years with a sense of satisfaction. Because as you all know, for any rational government or organization or department to act would be to simply close down those schools. But then there are teachers who are teaching in those schools. Each of the teachers has got families. Their livelihood depends on that. And hence, as a government, it is our duty to look into that and protect them also. But how do we ensure that we are able to slowly and steadily rationalize the schools so that we are able to then bring in a more balanced structure among the schools? And that is exactly what we are doing today. I want to share with you on this platform, we have had 3-4 meetings in the last 1 month. Our ad hoc teachers, our SSA teachers will be happy to know that we are very close to finalizing the structured salary which the ad hoc teachers and the SSA teachers have been demanding. Meghalaya has about 5,000 schools. Nagaland, which is slightly lesser than us in population, also has number of schools about 4,000. But Meghalaya, we have 14,000 schools in the state of Meghalaya. 10,000 more than Tripura has. We have 55,000 teachers, whereas a state like Manipur has about 36,000 and a state like Tripura has about 40,000.
Higher secondary school. Let's give a big round of applause.
Bapak kondisi, Bapak kondisi. So